congratulate everyone. It's such a wonderful play. And on top of the acting, of course, music wins. You're one of the best. And Carlos, so I will direct this question to both of you. Your inspiration, how the seed this came about. Because your music has been consistent, Vince. What is it? What is it about you? How can you maintain this level of brilliance? And Carlos, please, inspiration, share. Thank you.
Masakit yung malamig ko. Wala na ng jowa kayo. Well, actually, yun. Masakit naman yung sagot na yun. Yeah, asawa ko po ay music. So, last year pa to eh. Diba? September, we're talking about it. That time, nag-prepare na kami. Pero, of course, nag-start na kami April, Feb. Rehearsals, March. Thereabouts. Pero yung preparation was long. And si Chris sabi, sa mga kanta kalahati pa lang, ano, sila sa beach ako, part ng process yun. Partly because if you have a good cast, wala kang, yun lang kailangan mo gawin. Kailangan bantayan yung level ng artistry nila. And from the first run to the second run, ganun pa rin naman yung casting. So, it's just natural to step up and I guess that's the only way, eh. Diba? And thank you for the kind words.
Next move ba sa media?
Here's Alphonse. From theater fans, they also gave so much support. Come on, Alphonse.
Sorry. I'm a Broadway baby, and I do not watch a lot of Filipino musicals. I think this was the first, even though there was some English mixed in there, and this was amazing. I was left in awe. It was really, it hit me so hard. And for a person who doesn't really even speak Filipino or really understand it, to be honest, none of that was lost on me. This show deserves you deserve so much, something so much bigger. I mean, you're right at home here. You'd be right at home anywhere. But I can see this going beyond. And I just want to know if you want to take it, how far you want to take this. All the way to Broadway.
Broadway ko ba? E. Rodriguez, Broadway.
Jory, come on. From Jory's Entertainment Journal. Yan, si Jory.
The tour.
Tinatanong ko lang kay Carlo, di ba nagkaroon na siya sa tour na the musical stage? Nagkaroon na movie. Ito ba, meron na bang nag-offer na gawing movie?
Wala pa. Hindi, well, ang alam ko supposedly may nanood na ng producer pero hindi pa ako kinakontak. Pero so far wala. Yun lang nga, pag iniisip ko na ito, gawing pelikula, mahal. Daming artista. Tapos dapat lahat yan star. Kasi mga superheroes. Tapos ano. So, yun nga. Pero yun nga, we'll never know, hopefully. Kasi universal naman yung kwento. Tapos nandiyan yung action, drama, comedy, pagpakilig, lahat. Social commentary.
Ito pa, tungkol doon sa story naman. Sinulat mo ba yung kung paano ka naging leading lady as a one-shot or iniisip mo rin na maduktungan siya? Or sinulat mo lang siya as...
Itong cast, nagiging ng part 2 eh. Kaya depende na kung ano yung kwento. Kasi di ba si Inyote, tumakas, so pwede siya yung susunod na villain, ganyan. Tapos nasa kanya naman yung confidential files, baka i-clone na niya yung First Pilipinas, sila na yung kalaban. Hindi maraming pwedeng mangyari, pero sa ngayon, marami akong comics na kailangan gawin. So, isa-isa muna.
Okay, thank you.
Magpasalamat din tayo ngayon sa business world. Alam mo, may video na sila. Ang newspaper, may video component. And sila, they want to do their first video coverage for for this musical. Ayan, si Miss Chad. Okay, who else? Come, Umar.
Good evening, I'm Omar. And I watched the press review from the previous run and then na-appreciate, same appreciation between the cast before and kasi different na tong set na to eh. So, I don't want to say na mas maganda or kasi ganun pa rin, nakanganga pa rin ako na in awe dun sa buong musical. And ang tanong ko, kay Sir Vince, di ba, you're having a concert doon dito sa sa Teatrino. Are some songs part of the repertoire?
Yeah, merong 2 or 3 songs from Leading Lady. Si Richie Chan yung mag-melody. So, babae siya.
And then one last thing. Dun din kay sa in connection din sa yung kay question ni Johnny. Yun nga, parang maraming questions na parang hanging dun sa story, dun sa mga bits, sa mga characters. Parang may plano ba na kahit sa comics man lang na gawa tayo ng parang universe nila?
Kung ang mangyayari kasi di ba napansinin nyo si Jasha nandyan. Tapos, dun sa ginagawa ko sa tour na sa Maynila, yung tinatapos ko pa hanggang ngayon, isang dekada na hindi pa siya tapos. Meron akong isisiit doon na reference ng Leading Lady naman. Tapos, yung susunod na gagawin ko naman, maglalagay naman ako ng reference dito at saka sa ano. So, kumbaga, papakiliti lang ganyan na we don't know if it's gonna be like a whole universe. Pero it's nice na, may parang siyang Easter egg na parang, uy, meron ganyan, uy, meron ganyan. So, nakakatuwa lang.
Yun nga kasi parang, yung sa unang kong review, parang gagawin, dito ba is parang, yun nga, yung meron siyang sariling universe, and then, parang mala-Marvel ang dating.
Sana kung buhay pa ako. Kasi ako rin yung drawing niya. So,
Ayan, anyway, congratulations
Thank
to
you.
everyone.
Ito naman, from Curtain Call Manila. Come. I'm so happy all the young kids now are involved in theater. Come on.
Hi, so I was an usher in the previous run. So this is actually my 20th time watching it. So I've had time to really think about the material. So for anyone who can answer, which of the themes present in the super rich material do you think is most relevant? Especially, yung Dalangita pinupush, di ba, yung original Filipino musicals. So, di ba, sa mga original material, sobrang dami ang themes din and motifs. So, alin yung pinaka-relevant?
This for the cast? Or for
anyone.
For anyone. Well, first of all, marami ka siyang meron nga naman nag-comment sa akin maraming layers. So, in a way, ganun talaga ako kung magsulat. So, essentially, this is a story about a maid, tapos yung amo, nag-fall in love sa kanya. Pero that's for those who want the entertainment, for the kilig, for the ganyan. Pero for those who want to dig a little deeper, nandun nga yung lumalabas yung pagiging gray ng society natin, wherein you have the Filipinos who are the villains, and then you have the foreigners who are the heroes, and the foreigners are the one who's the heroes pero they're distant from society, and then you have the Filipinos naman who shout Pinoy pride pero inaano naman nila yung katulong, yung ganun. So it's that whole thing, and then eventually at the end of the day, the heroes really are the ordinary people. And that's a recurring theme sa akin kasi when you look at Charles Saturna, ganun din, na it's still the parlorista, the more marginalized people in our society who become these super beings. And of course, nandiyan din dapat yung mga hunky leading men na una, feeling mo, walang gusto sa'yo, pero tayo naman, and at the end, mag-reveal sa'yo na So, Natasha din yan kasi, oh yes, oh. Actually, actually. Actually nga, maraming mga facets yung kwento.
Go Philippine Theater. Go Philippine Theater!
Okay, our last question, because we're running over time here at one stage, and the clock is ticking. All right, come on, Orly. He's also one of the prolific writers who cover theater.
Hello, everyone. Well, I've seen this. This is my fifth time to see it, and I would say that this is the best leading lady ever. Yeah, I realized there's a big difference between PETA and on stage, and I noticed this time we're not under the lights. We are seeing the lights. We are seeing you guys, and you look like more. You look more like a canvas. You are. Well, what we saw was a show. It's something that I think is worth celebrating and something that I eagerly share with my friends. I'd like to commend the cast as well as the main cast. But my question goes to Miss Frenchie. I noticed that you have developed so much as an actress and a smelly, and tonight. Yes, and, right, and tonight, I would say that I really saw the Melly that I was expecting from kung paano ako naging leading lady. Anong pinagdaanan mo? May panghuhugot ka ba? Tulad ni Sir Vince, ni Sir Carver. What made you the Melly that you are tonight?
Meron kasi akong yaya for 32 years. So, siya yung ginawa kong pick ko. Tapos, na sobrang mahal na mahal ko siya. Na yung character ko gusto ko, same ng, pero yung mamahalin yung tao. Yun.
I love you, Kelly Moran!
Last time, nung nilabas natin ito, may isang photographer, ang gaganda ng mga letrato niya, ginamit natin sa mga profile natin, etc. He's so quiet, humble, but very artistic. He's here tonight. You have to thank you, JP Maristasa. Thank you, JP, for supporting the theater. Okay, on with your cameras, guys. You might want to